One mistake to avoid when you are starting over in your life is to think that just because you're starting over, all the issues that you had in that old life disappears. And just because you have a clean slate, that you can start fresh and not have to worry about the issues that you left behind. What ends up happening is if you don't change your habits, if you don't start making better choices, if you don't heal, then what happens is all those issues from the past just carries over into your new life. And what ends up happening is you have a new chapter with old experiences. And that's how you start your cycles. And that's why you have patterns. And that's why people say life is just a roller coaster, because you never feel like you're off the ride. So if you are starting over, the best thing you can do for yourself is to start focusing on the things you need to heal so you can have a better life.